We like our Chemical Guys ProFlow PM2000 for the most part. There are a few things about it that could be better. But still, portable pressure washers like the Chemical Guys ProFlow are great for DIY cleaning projects. Lightweight and maneuverable, the ProFlow has a long water hose and power cord with different attachments and accessories. Although we use our ProFlow primarily for washing our vehicle, it will clean siding or brick, walkways, patio and patio furniture, and even lawn equipment. For more helpful product reviews like this, hit that subscribe button. The ProFlow comes with a 20-foot flex water hose, 35-foot power cable, a transparent hose filter adapter, self-locking polyurethane casters, brass adapters and connectors, and 5 different pressure washer tips, along with a pressure washer gun that includes a separate extender attachment. With its 1,680-watt electric motor, the ProFlow delivers up to 2,030 psi, 140 bar, with a minimum flow rate of 1.77 gallons, that's about 6.7 liters per minute. The electric motor does make some noise when running, but it's much quieter than we anticipated. Setting up the ProFlow is relatively easy, although we recommend taking your time during the initial run to avoid inadvertently damaging the unit. Here is the correct process. If you want to swap out the stationary rubber feet for the locking polyurethane casters, start with this step first. Thread the casters in a clockwise motion, but resist the urge to over-tighten them. Once the caster makes contact with the plastic of the unit, they are secure enough. Attach the brass quick-release connector to the smaller side of the transparent hose filter. The brass connector will attach to your garden hose, while the threaded side of the transparent hose filter will fit into the water inlet on the back of the ProFlow. This important step is surprisingly easy to overlook. If done incorrectly, the ProFlow will leak and it could be damaged. Remember, the threaded side of the transparent hose filter goes into the water inlet on the back of the ProFlow, and the brass connector attaches to your garden hose. From here, connect the ProFlow's high-pressure hose that was in the box to the water outlet on the front of the unit. Just pull back on the brass sleeve to connect the flex hose. Next, release the red tab near the trigger of the pressure washer gun so you can connect the other side of the flex hose. Now you have a complete unit. Included is an extender for the pressure washer gun and a separate connector to accommodate other Chemical Guys accessories you might want to get later, like the Torque Snubby foam gun. The ProFlow comes with 5 interchangeable nozzles depending on the job. For washing your vehicle, boat, RV, or ATV, use the 40-degree and 60-degree nozzles. Those are the white and gray ones. The other nozzles produce a more concentrated blast of water. They are meant for different cleaning jobs and could damage your paint. The ProFlow is nice if you want to stay on top of your vehicle, but maybe you don't want to purchase a monthly wash membership or stuff your pockets full of quarters. If you have a busy schedule and can't always run by the car wash, the Chemical Guys ProFlow lets you do it at home on your own time. The thing to keep in mind at the time of this video is how customer reviews of the Chemical Guys ProFlow on Google are mixed. Some customers expressed concern with how the transparent water hose filter is made of plastic, questioning its long-term durability. Others pointed to the build quality of the pressure washer gun and occasional leaks from the unit. We agree with other customers on the plastic construction of the transparent water hose filter. We noticed that right away out of the box, and it's something that we would change about the ProFlow. Although we've not had any issues yet with ours, a more robust design for this transparent hose filter would definitely improve future versions of the ProFlow, especially since it's such a vital component. If after reading some of the customer reviews you're not sold on the ProFlow, take a look at the Sunjo or Stanley portable pressure washers. We'll leave some links in the description. Otherwise, for DIY jobs around the homestead, garage, or shop, yeah, the Chemical Guys ProFlow is a handy tool. The casters, pressure gun extender, and selection of washer tips make the ProFlow all that more flexible and functional. Below are links to our written review of the ProFlow and a link to Amazon, where you can purchase the unit. For more helpful product reviews like this, hit that subscribe button. On behalf of Automoblog in Litchfield Township, west of Detroit, with our Chemical Guys ProFlow PM2000, I'm Carl Anthony.